Right, so you join me today. It's Friday afternoon. It's ridiculous hot. It's like 30 degrees, super muggy out. But the Car Collective are going to pick up their first project car. So this is a team effort, team car. And I've been very fortunate that I've been offered the car for nothing. It does need some work to get it back on the road. So we will have to spend a bit of time and a bit of money. And it's something a bit different. I don't think it's what people are going to expect us to get. But it is JDM and it is four-wheel drive. So yeah, let's go and get it, and let's see if we can make something really cool out of it. Right, so I'm in the car. Mike's come and pick me up from work. AJ's behind us in the works van. We're hoping to not have to tow the car, but that's why we've got the works van. So yeah, let's. We haven't got far to go. Let's go and get it. Right, so we're at the house where the car is. Like I said, I don't think people are going to be. I think they're going to be a bit surprised when they realise what it is, but it is JDM, it is four-wheel drive, it's 90s and it's cool. So this is the first car for the Car Collective. We've got a 1994, I think 95 Toyota RAV4. So yeah, let's have a walk around and see what we got. By no means is it a minter, but the fact is we got given this car for free. We were donated it for free, so we're not going to pick any bones at the fact that it's donated. You know, we were so pleased. I always said to the customer, if you ever sell this car, can I please have first refusals? And they so generously said to me, you can have it for nothing. It's got this new problem, you can deal with it, and if you can sort it, it's yours. So yeah, I couldn't be happier.
Relatively well.
Oh, look at that.
It's never been known to miss.
AJ's really good at finding a hole.
Never been known to miss.
And if I remember rightly, I think the AC works on it as well.
Is there anything coming out the bottom, Mike?
Not yet.
There's obviously holding. I don't know.
Yeah, we need to just put it right in. Obviously, I've got to watch
Put it right in. Fuck
How
yeah.
always finds the hole, he never misses. Put it
Well,
right in.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, go on then, Mike. Do you want to start her up? So, it's got a bit of a coolant leak. We're gonna have a go, see if she'll start up. Oh, like a dream. Yeah? Right, do you want to top her right up?
Best thing to do is top it off, leave the cap off so that you don't have any problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so AJ's just filled it up. It is leaking quite a lot, but it's running aircon. It's lovely and cold, which is great on a day like today. So yeah, we're going to start making our way back now, and I'm going to keep an eye on the coolant levels. So yeah, let's go. So I want to keep it super cold, and I'm going to try my best to stay in as low a gear as possible. Don't want to put any pressure on the engine. I'm just going to watch that temperature gauge like a hawk, and hopefully we can keep it nice and cold. I might even turn it off and do a bit of coasting. Let's see how we get on. So yeah, we're still good at the minute. Temperature's creeping up. But we're just about to pull on to probably the busiest road in my hometown at possibly the busiest time of the day. So fingers crossed we can get out nice and easy and we'll get it to work, because we've literally got yards to go. So fingers crossed we can keep it cold. Okay, we're off. Try to do this one-handed and not get stopped by the old bill. And we're now causing chaos in the town centre. Temperature's still good. We're okay. And the aircon is lovely and cold. What a car. And it was free. Try and do a bit of coasting because it's getting a bit hot. Not too hot though. Getting to work nice and easy. We're good. Plenty. I think I'll quickly turn it off now. Yeah, so really pleased. Got it back to work, and like I said, one of the hottest days of the year. Got it home, got it safe, and yeah, we managed to get it in the yard without doing any undue damage. Now, with it being the import, it comes with a few cool little features and stuff, but one of those is the spoiler, but the other one is the wind deflectors on the sides, and I think they look great. Let me know what you think in the comments below is the coolest thing about this import RAV. This might be one of them, and that is actually a ball cooler, so it blows cold air or hot air directly at your testicles and keeps you cool. So the previous owner was saying that they've never used a spare, so Mike's going to try and pull the cover off of it now. I don't know how easy it is to get off. Has it got like a cord underneath it?
Ooh, that's going to disintegrate if you pull that off.
Just get it off, lad. Okay, well, maybe not. I think it's meant to be like elasticated.
That's very crusty.
Hang on.
Oh, mine's funky. Ah, fingers.
Sorry. Well, it's definitely been used, the wheel, I would have said. What year's the tyre?
2002.
2002, so that's not an original, but it's a damn old tyre. It's 21 years old. Don't think it's ever been on the road.
No perishing. Which is obviously no sun.
Right, so when you consider that this car is like a 1996 car, it has got active diff, I believe. It's got ice cold AC that works an absolute treat. It's got electric windows. It does have remote central locking, but the owners have lost the parts. We've got stacks of history on the car, loads of different bits and pieces which we need to go through. But we were looking at some of these really cool accessories and stuff that we want to try and get hold of. This was the original bull bar that came on it that we can see on the original import paperwork, so that's that one there. You can kind of see it, but yeah, we want to try and get some bits for that. But yeah, it's cool. So they gave us a load of paperwork, and some of it is because the car lived in Cyprus, so this is actually Cypriot tax discs. So they've given us some Cypriot tax discs, which is really cool. And this company is who they bought the car from back in the year 2000, so they've owned this car 23 years. Fair play to them. Also, we got down here V5 I need to take home. This we need to have a little look through as well. So we've got a JDM manual. We've got a reprint of a UK one. We've got a couple of invoices and MOTs and stuff. Now I know for a fact that I've got a lot more history because this is, like I say, one of my customers' cars. So yeah, I've got plenty of paperwork on it. And to be fair, decent amount of service history as well. I'm not sure when it was last done. I mean, last stamp's 2020, but I'm fairly sure it was done before that. And like I say, we've got a set of roof bars as well. So yeah, let's get on it, boys. Rings, lads, rings. RAV4 stands for Recreational Active Vehicle, Full-Time 4-Wheel Drive, RAV4. Afternoon everybody, it's Mike from Usually Broken Cars, and yeah, so tell me what you think to the new Car Collective car. It's something a bit different, and like I say, I don't think many people were expecting it, but the fact is it's free. We're gonna make it work. It is a genuine JDM car. So just very quickly addressing the elephant in the room, I have lost my mullet. So I shaved it off in aid of a charity support in the UK for a thing called Macmillan. You brave the shave. Everybody donated and raised a good amount of money. But yeah, getting back to the RAV4, the important thing. So we want your help. We want you guys, the viewers, to decide, do we slam it to the floor, make it like a JDM, you know, proper cool import, or do we lift it, make it an off-roader, and then, you know, make it potentially an overlander? Either way, it's going to be our Car Collective car show car, you know. So whatever you guys decide is what we're going to go with. So vote on Instagram, vote on YouTube, vote in the comments below. Let me know, lifted or slammed, and that's what we will go with. We will go with what you guys decide. So to everybody watching, thank you very much for getting this far. Do a like, do a subscribe. I'm really hoping to get to 500 subs by the end of this video. That would be really great. So thanks to everybody, and yeah, drop a comment. See you all soon. Thanks.